Are you looking for the best digital microscopes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best digital microscopes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elikliv EDM4B 4.3-inch Digital Coin Microscope. The Elikliv Digital Coin Microscope offers a black base designed to reduce light reflections, giving you clearer and sharper images for better observation. Its 4.3-inch 720p display shows crisp real-time pictures and videos, helping reduce eye strain with a comfortable viewing size. You can zoom in from 50x to 1000x magnification, making it easy to examine coins, stamps, and antiques in great detail to verify their authenticity. Plus, you can connect the microscope to your Windows or Mac computer for a larger view and share images with others, making it convenient for group analysis or saving your findings. What we like: reduced light reflection base, large 4.3-inch 720p display, 50x to 1000x magnification, PC connectivity for larger view. Number 2. Elikliv EDM4 Max Digital Coin Microscope. The Elikliv EDM4 Max microscope offers you a clear and detailed view with its 1080p Full HD LCD screen and 8 adjustable LED lights, making it perfect for examining coins, jewelry, and other collectibles. You can zoom in from 50x up to 1000x magnification, allowing you to see tiny details that are otherwise invisible. The height adjustable stand helps you easily set the right distance and angle to get the best focus for your object. Plus, you can connect it to your Windows PC or MacBook to enjoy a bigger screen, making it simple to share your findings or save photos and videos for later review. What we like: 1080p Full HD LCD screen, up to 1000x magnification, height adjustable stand, PC and MacBook compatibility, adjustable LED lighting. Number 3. Elikliv EDM4C Digital Coin Microscope with Scale. The Elikliv EDM4C microscope is a handy tool that combines a digital microscope with a built-in scale, letting you both examine and weigh coins or jewelry in one step. This means you can check coin details like mint marks and surface conditions while quickly weighing them, which is great for collectors and those grading coins. It features a precise weighing sensor that gives accurate measurements, helping you test metal purity or spot fakes easily. Designed especially for coin collectors, it assists in verifying authenticity and tracking wear. Plus, it's versatile enough for jewelry, letting you inspect stones and settings while weighing items for appraisal or repair. What we like: integrated microscope and scale, high accuracy weighing sensor, designed for coin collectors, suitable for jewelry inspection. Number 4. Andonstar AD246SM Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM Digital Microscope is a multi-lens digital microscope for adults, featuring UHD 2160p video recording, a 7-inch LCD display, 13-inch Pro metal stand, adjustable LED lights, and wireless remote control. It comes with 3 lenses, a slide holder, a 32G microSD card, and a variety of accessories, making it a great microscope kit for adults and kids. It is easy to use and comes with professional measurement software for Windows PC. What we like: high-quality performance, great range of magnification, adjustable lighting angles. Number 5. TOMLOV DM9 7-inch LCD Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 7-inch LCD digital microscope is a versatile and easy-to-use microscope suitable for micro-soldering, rocks checking to coins/stamps observing. With 50x 1200x magnification, it allows you to zoom in and see the tiniest details at full lighted view with 10 LED fill lights. The microscope features a 7-inch rotatable FHD screen, 12 megapixels ultra-precise focusing camera and 1080p high-definition imaging, which creates high-quality images and videos. The microscope can be hooked up to PC for larger view, and includes a 32GB SD card. The solid metal frame construction ensures long-term use and allows doing micro-soldering or repairing printed circuit board. What we like. Easy to use and wide application. 7-inch rotatable FHD screen with 12 megapixels ultra-precise focusing camera and 1080p high-definition imaging. 50x 1200x magnification with 10 LED fill lights.